We are having just absolutely gorgeous weather right now here in part of the beautiful Panama City Beach. Who's ready to come out to Panama City Beach, play a little volleyball? What's going on right now? Waiting on you when you get here. Who's coming with me, guys? Who's coming with me? I'm headed to local steamer seafood market, just a little east of here.
Makes my body dance for you.